I earned 1 lakh rupees through freelancing in college, and these are some hard truths which I learned from my experience, and you can learn it for free. These points will be helpful if you are a student and thinking to start freelancing. These are just my experience. I'm not any pro freelancer or freelancing expert. It's just a student sharing his freelancing experience with his friend. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Diosar Jumal and I am a final year engineering student at Indian Institute of Information Technology, Vadodara. And on this channel, I create videos related to web development, tutorials, tips and tricks, and freelancing. So if you are interested in these kind of topics, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. So for some context, I did freelancing for about 5 to 6 months on Fiverr and LinkedIn, and I provided game development services when I was in second and third year of my college. So let's move forward, and the first point is, as a beginner freelancer, you have to hustle for a long time. I had to reach clients and go after them by sending them cold messages on LinkedIn to applying on buyer's request on Fiverr. You have to always upskill yourself. I remember a project where I just took the project because I just wanted to start, and I knew a little bit about the project and I learned everything on the go to complete that project. You have to get in front of the people. You have to take initiative. You have to hustle every day to get work. After winning the project, you have to again hustle every day to complete that project, at least at the start. This is what I did, as people in marketplace were very competing. They already had results from previous clients, so you have only limited variables to play with, that is price, feature, or time in which you will deliver, or ratings and reviews which you can show. So to win in that case, I lowered my price, I gave more features to the client, and I quoted a very less time as compared to others to win my first project, and which eventually caused me to work very hard to complete that project. I think initially you have to do hard work so that you have got your portfolio built. Also, if you are a beginner freelancer and you are charging the same as the experienced one and taking the same time and providing the same feature, then it makes sense to go with experienced freelancer as compared to the beginner one, right? Also, you should have online presence such as YouTube, or you should have a blog, or you should be a LinkedIn content creator to reach your target audience, that is your client. I also got client from my previous YouTube channel where I used to create game development tutorial videos. So from there also I got the client, and through this channel I am also getting messages from the clients for project. Also, there will be many times you will not have any client, and there will be time where you will not have any time because the work will be so much. Okay, so now let's move on to the second point, that is, you will not have any security of work. Like in the case of a job, you will always have to ask and always have to reach out to client. Some months you won't make anything, and some months you will make something. At the start you will be underpaid. Like in my case, I price my services low as compared to others to win those first and second projects, and in most cases you will also have to do the same. Approach new clients to get more work, make connection with clients to refer you to their connections, and by word of mouth you grow in the future. But that is for future. Spending lot of time on finding client, making content already has its own vast skill sets, like researching, writing, if you are making video, then shooting, then editing. So it will take a lot of time. I used to get discouraged every day for not getting any reply from clients on buyer's request or on LinkedIn. Also, not getting paycheck every month is very discouraging, as you might have came with the mentality that I will do something and nothing is going your way which you wanted. You will think to leave freelancing as that is not made for you. This thought always comes to my mind when I didn't got any clients for some time. You will also think that you are being underpaid. You are working so hard on and for so much time, and you are just getting paid, let's say 10,000, or it might also be 5,000 at the start. So you might get discouraged from that, or you might think that you are working so hard and you are not getting paid proportionately. But this is an exponential curve. As you get more experience, you get more results, you get more reviews, you get more ratings, you get more real clients, you make your portfolio, you get your real testimonials. You can charge more in the future. Now let's move to our third point, and that is, understand your self-worth and value your time. Always stay aware of the charges which others are charging by talking to people, by connecting them connecting with them on LinkedIn, with the similar people on your niche or on the platform where you are trying to get the project. This will help you understand how much you can charge and how much others are charging for the same skill and experience. After doing some projects, it's important to value your time. Otherwise, people will take advantage of you and you will think, and even after doing some projects, you will think that you are not moving anywhere, you are not moving forward in your freelancing career. You may charge by calculating your expenses, like what is the cost of the software which you are using, what is the Wi-Fi bill, what is the electricity bill, how much you want to save, and on top of everything, you can add a profit margin of, let's say, 25 to 30%, but make sure it's reasonable. Also, client may negotiate with the pricing which you may quote, so keep your margins already adjusted for that, and make sure you are always profitable. You are not losing any money from your pocket at least. Make sure your margins are at least that much high, so that even after giving 15 to 20% discount, you are always profitable. So after getting some initial reviews, doing some initial project, you can quote 20 to 25% higher and give the first quotation 20 to 25% higher. And on the negotiation, you can just lower it down to 10 to 15%, and that's how you grow your profit margin and you grow your freelancing business. Upper cap is needed in freelancing, as you won't be satisfied in freelancing even after making money. So have some target set, that if you make, let's say, 25,000 this month, you will be satisfied, or you make 10,000 this month, you will be satisfied, whatever suits you, so that you get the feeling of achieving something and you get motivated to do it again. Also, I have created tutorials on creating chatbot with the help of Node.js and React.js for WhatsApp, for Discord, for web, and also I have shared my experience of internship on this channel. So I will provide the link in the description. You can watch that next. Also, make sure you subscribe to this channel, as that makes me motivated to see that number growing. And make sure you like this video. Bye.